Hey guys, where y'all been? Well, it's me, Got 38 here. How are you? Well, I have a package and thought maybe I will just show you what I got. I haven't been on here in a while. I think it's like 2 months. Sorry for that. I've been working weekends and long hours and yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead. I ordered a fountain pen, 3 fountain pens, one for me and one for my niece and my son. So, and I got it from Tokyo Pen Shop. Now they're located in Iowa. It only took like 2 days, and I live in North Carolina. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this package. I have my scissors right here. So, yes, I'm excited. I've been waiting on this fountain pen. I need to do the review on my TWSBI Echo pen. Yeah. Alrighty, here we go. I'm excited. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, okay. It has my address on here. So let me flip this down. I'm not going to let you see what it says. Wait, flip it that far down. You're not going to see it. Hold on. Sorry for all the rattling. So she said, enjoy, Tracy, Kimberly. And smiley face. Thank you, Kimberly. I hope I will enjoy them. So, yeah. All right. So, here we go. Oh, TokyoPenShop.com if you want to go and order you some stuff there. So, let's see. Oh, satisfying sound. I am recording this on my iPad Pro, so hope the quality is good. Okay. Ooh. Alright. Alright, so in this little package right here. Oh, so cute. She used washi tape to seal it. Oh. So I can keep this as a package, put that in my journal. So let's peel off this washi tape right quickly. It peels off very nice. All right. So my son and my niece are writing in journals. So I asked them, do they want a fountain pen? Of course, they said yes. Oh, wait, hold up. So we got a sticker that says Tokyo Pen Shop. It said, for pens as precise as your thoughts. Nice. Nice. Goes in my journal. And I have, some candy. Some Hi-Chew. Strawberry. Y'all knew strawberry is my fave. Thank you. Oh, okay. All right, so I have some refills for my first calligraphy pen that I bought. It was a Platinum Preppy. So I got red because that's the one that is the ink is gone, and I got another Platinum Preppy. Well, actually 2 more Platinum Preppies, and these are the number 3s. Yeah, I think that they're defined. So this one will be for my son, and this one will be for my niece. She loves green, he loves blue, and I love red, so that's why these are going in the red one. So yeah, hope they enjoy these. Well, let me show you how it look. Let me see. I like blue better than I do green, but anyway. So it comes already with the cartridge. That's what you hear rattling in here. There's the cartridge right there. So all you have to do is just stick it in, punch it in right then begin writing. So I'll let him do that, so you'll get the feel of how to work a fountain pen. Oh, is it not going? Oh, okay, cool. Now, for my pen, I have a Pilot. This one is called a Pilot Prera. Oh, it's nice. Look at that. I got the red. Oh, it comes with the ink cartridge. Cool. Comes with the ink cartridge. I think it's, oh, it's a black. It's black. Beat for black. So, come in a nice case here. Nice. Nice. Okay. So here it is. Okay, so it's sealed. All right, hold on. Here we go. Here it is. Isn't that cute? It is. I love it. Like I said, this is the Pilot Prera. You see Prera right there. And I got this in the medium nib. It's short. Look at that. It's short compared to the Preppy. Look at that. Let's see. Let's take this thing off. So that's Prera. So I'm used to it. Okay, it does twist. I think. No. I'm pulling the. Oh no. Okay, cool. Oh, it just snap off and on. That's very satisfying. That's very satisfying, women. Nice, nice. Now this one does come with. It came with a converter. So let's go ahead and show you that. And this is a demonstrator pen. Demonstrator pens are clear, transparent. So there's a converter right here. So all I have to do is dip my ink and then do that and then do this. And the ink should come up to fill my pen. Wow. Nice. I'm excited. Now, I'm waiting on my ink. Amazon hadn't shipped my ink yet, and it's supposed to come today. I checked my email. It says on the truck out for delivery. So, yeah. So, I'll come back when that package comes. And, hey, so my box finally come. It's like 8 o'clock at night, but it's finally here. And I ordered this from Amazon. So, yeah, let's go ahead and pull tab to open. So, let's do that. And I received a surprise package. Yay. Okay. All right. Good Lord. Okay. Whew. Let's open the box. Ooh, it's a heavy bottle. Okay. Remember I told y'all I was buying some ink for my my pen, right? Okay. Okay. What? Where my scissors? Right here in my face. Okay, Tracy. All right. So it came wrapped in bubble wrap. Let me see if I can open it like this, or do I need my scissors? Yeah, I'm gonna need my scissors for this. I'm gonna need my scissors. Oh, here we go. Cool. All right. All right. So this is Noodler's ink with the fish on the side on the box. That's cute. So if you want some ink, this type of ink is noodlersink.com. Oh, look at. Oh, I wish I could draw like that. Maybe see it better like that. So, yeah. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is black. Black ink. Good country. Black ink. Oh, wow. Here it is. This is a 3-ounce bottle. It's made in the USA. Let me see. It says the only internal black ink, bulletproof on. Lord, I'm in a magnifying glass. On cellulose paper, yet washes off plastic with water. Water-based ink. So yeah, let's open it. I can't. Ooh, it's very black. Cute. Ooh, I mean, it is filled to the rim. I don't want any. Let me get one of these old cloths here because I don't want any dripping. There's some black right there where it came off at, but yeah. And I have a converter. This is the Con 50 converter for my Kaweiki Pilot Kaweiki pen. So yeah. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right, guys, I love you. Toodles.